morning, good afternoon, good evening to the community of TVisions around the globe. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am your regular, Olonlu Wanyide, one of the many voices of TBC, an economic developer in the community of abundance, the billion coin. Today on this broadcast, I'll be talking on turn it round, and especially this broadcast is targeted towards those who are weary, who are tired of this unique and wonderful community that we are building. Don't forget, we are building a new economy from ground up. It is not easy. It's like building a skyscraper, 30, 40, 50 story skyscraper. It is not easy. It needs consistent diligence and persistence. So turn it round. Turn it round. You are closer to winning than you can ever imagine. So don't be weary, because the community of abundance, the TBC community, we are closer to winning than we can ever imagine. Things are skyrocketing seriously within the community now. So we often wish that the road to success would be smoother and easier than this. It will have been a lot easier for us to achieve, and most time that's how we think. But life is always full of ups and downs, hits and misses, tears and failure, and ecstasies of victories. Guys, do you know what? Many times we have predicted that we end our distribution as fast as possible, but because of most times weakness and lack of persistence, lack of will from even we the members, we have make it a little longer than we expected. But guess what? We are very, very closer to the winning than you can ever imagine. Yes, in life, the downside of life is always more painful to bear, and we all detest that. Yeah, sure, that's why we want to end the distribution fast. However, it comes with all this say, and when it does, you and I will be left with only two options: fall under it or turn it around. Guys, so this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are watching, I'm now telling you, turn it around. When you are attacked by despair, anguish, and hopelessness, that when will this distribution ends? Don't give up. Continue in prospecting. Don't feel sorry for yourself. Let's continue to build. Let's continue to build. Let's continue to share the gift to as many that needs it. And let's continue to develop the community. Guess what? Look around. You are certain to see the debris of attack from different areas. Pick it up and turn it around. Just remember that the darkest hour of the night is a powerful reminder that the beautiful day is around the corner. Yes, and to everyone in the community of Abundant TBC community, I'm telling us that yes, the day is around the corner. So guys, do not relent in your hours. Give it all it takes. Give it all it takes. Let's damn all challenges ahead of us. They may be many, but guess what? We can summon them, and that we got summon them. Why? So that we end poverty on this planet Earth. So that we end poverty on this planet Earth. That's my short reflection for us this moment. Reflect on it. Turn it around. Go for it. Don't relent. Don't be weak. Don't be tired. TBC is our birthright. Love you all. I want you to like this broadcast, share, and subscribe to it. God bless you.